Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play the Destiny 2 campaign. Begin by choosing New Light or an existing character, then open the director to select the campaign mission. Follow mission markers and listen to mission dialogue for objectives. Use a sparrow to travel quickly between zones and check your inventory before major fights. Focus on completing story nodes to unlock quests, gear rewards, and new activities while learning core combat mechanics. Start fights by assessing enemy types and choosing the right weapon loadout, like a scout rifle for range or a shotgun for close quarters. Time your super for grouped enemies or bosses, and use grenades to disrupt shields. Keep moving to avoid heavy damage and revive teammates when safe. Regularly mod and infuse gear to keep power level competitive and make story missions feel smooth and rewarding as you progress. Prioritize milestone and story rewards to steadily raise your power level and unlock tougher missions. Balance main campaign progress with side quests and patrols to gather upgrade materials and cosmetics. Swap armor mods to boost resilience or recovery based on activity needs, and infuse higher power items into favorite gear. Join a fire team for tougher encounters to split tasks and share tips while enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.